All of this is Navica. Actually, we want to look at this issue on a clipper. This is called a clipper, and it is making some kind of noise here that we want to see how we can come out solution with it. I know most of us have faced this kind of problem, and this is how you can do it. Like this very funny sound. We want to make it sure that it will never produce that kind of it happens to most of the clippers, and here is the solution to it. Now make sure you subscribe first. We are going to open this part here, so we unlock this and this, and we see what is happening inside here to reduce that kind of noise. Okay, let's start. So this is what you see when you open this clip here. We find the inside part of it. It has two arms. This arm here is mobile one, and this one is the moving one. So this is the one which is making a lot of noise. We open, so we see what is happening. So that's start bugging here. Okay.